See what I go on? Yeah, man. Don't shell down the banana them already.
Up. That's it, yeah.
Naturally.
And have a big job every time.
That is it. Yeah, very beautiful view. Un plátano, ¿no? What? Star girl. I would say woman strength.
Anything can support her, you know. We have to cash and do it.
Alrighty. So you're going. What you doing? I'm here, rather move your son.
Look one, you know. You ready?
Yeah, man, I know. Look, man.
That's it, yeah.
Stone for days.
I don't want to think big out, you know. So.
See it? That is it.
Come stay and come back down. Stone, I will walk on your foot, you know.
Thanks so much.
Yeah. Looking coming.
It's a looking coming.
One jabby. Yeah, one thing look good.
Yeah.
You say when we can cast?
Why? Don't go anytime in a week, Dana, you know.
Yeah, man, you can cast. Can cast in a week, man. You say about Tuesday?
Yeah, man, anytime you're ready.
Job sand and gravel.
Sand and gravel and gravel. Can't cut down them, and put, you know what I mean? Over it.
Whoa, fat, well dressed up.
I'm coming from funeral.
You coming from funeral?
Yes.
Okay.
Show my face.
Alright, that is it, man. You already above fat shop. You don't know. I buy some food to cook up. Yeah, for inside. You see me I said? Yeah. So not out here today. I got a little piece of chicken that you have in your hand.
Then when I went pound, that'll be.
You bet you are when then chicken you got out, man. You might look like chicken back to my girl. You sure say not chicken back?
Not in there. No, chicken back they're different from
Look here, they might look like chicken back, you know.
chicken back of breast.
You know, I want all that chicken.
It's an all that chicken. I alone want all that chicken. Nobody now want all that chicken in there.
Yo, when you come for 5 pounds of chicken, we want one whole of chicken.
People buy 1 pound of chicken and 2 pounds of chicken and pound and a half. So we have to parcel them out. So when somebody comes,
Yo.
we just take it and give it to them. Okay?
Alright, we're working with you. No, this look how we start, trust me. Say that this go 5 pounds.
5 pounds.
And a 4 pieces sitting there. So.
Yes. 5 pounds.
The box cover this, my girl. Give me 5 pounds of flour. Yes. 5 pounds of flour. And our one blue Gatorade.
I think I have the blue Gatorade now.
Yeah, so we are getting some fire stick here. Cook some food in right there. Already carrying some already, you know. They are going to run a pot. Yeah, man, so we are cook some dumpling. We are cook some dumpling and banana and some curry chicken. So me and Butty active in the kitchen as you can see. I just get in some salt. I lock up the pot here now. Yeah. Say fire red. Fire red. So meanwhile Jabota go and catch up on next fire there, so we are go get the flour needed and all the other good stuff them are go load up. So y'all just stay tuned and watch how I go on. Do remember to like up the video, and if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Where's the Butty?
What you mean every time? Here, I'm big up. We are all international people around here.
Alright, so let's get the chicken clean up. Yeah, man. Get the they already cut them up. Already still know what me just fine tune them, cut them up a little smaller. You know, a curry chicken we are cooking now, so keep it small. Yeah, so use some lime already and get off the rawness. The chicken clean and pretty. Yeah, so that go on. So I go to cut up some more. I'm not a pro, you know. The leg this small. Yeah, so basically just a season up. Season them up, you know. And make the season go and soak in. So just stay tuned. Throw off some of the water. Season up the chicken now. Go in with some Maggi all purpose. Yeah. Me and Star Girl in the kitchen today, you know. Star Girl I cook dumpling and me I cook me I cook curry chicken. Yeah. And me have some lemon and pepper seasoning. So I season up. You know, Colaz them like them meat well seasoned up and thing. We kind of dip on a fast movement today. This is a complete seasoning. And then we have a better for curry. In a hurry. Alright, so I left this for burning in the pot. Mix it up here now. And just go and stay tuned. Don't move on mostly now. So guys, we are going to go ahead by kneading our flour to go in the pot. Man, so star girl I get in there. Dumpling them in the pot, you know. But you not take off the cover fully.
You don't want to put it now, but don't want to put it. You cover the pot. I mean that. You don't want to open the pot and I feel it. Oh, there?
I hear you.
Half mass.
Yeah man, so dumpling are going up what?
But you can't cover more. Smoke, guys, so we have to see what the smoke a little.
One star girl in our kitchen today.
Yeah, you have to chef it up, you know.
Alright, so Daniela get the natural seasoning cut up now. Yeah, man. So I scallion. Alright, so just a little kitchen accident, so star girl.
Take over the vegetable, guys.
Yeah, natural seasoning. So it goes sometime in the kitchen. Food pot. Meat pot over here, so I'm gonna wait. Let's in some oil. Alright, so get in some curry, make the curry go and burn. Yeah. Curry smell good. Yeah man. So when the curry burn, we have a good time, let's get in the chicken. Alright, so get in the chicken you know. Oh, so I make it go and fry out a little bit. Yeah. Why you ready now? Come on, make it go and fry out and then you know we get in natural seasoning and little water and make it go and cook down. So just stay tuned. Alright, oh star girl. You cook them up fine. Yeah man.
So them to look.
Yes, so them for look. Purple onion. Yeah, so right today I get some banana in my pot. Look at that. So stay tuned. Okay, natural seasoning. So I go on. Olive oil thyme. And all of the good natural seasoning them. Yeah, so I go on. Yeah man. Pepper, scallion, onion, sweet pepper. What we have in there again? We have some Irish potato in it too. Yeah. Nothing now, yes, nothing now, dash way. pot look good though. That is it. So just go and stay tuned. Next time around we're supposed to take off, pot them off of fire and eat food. That is it.
Yeah! No, so it'll come up. Then just a day with it. It'll come forward.
When I recommend them that.
Fuck up. Give me one left. So more dumplings. Yeah, then at least 1-6 man. 6 dumplings a day with you. What? If you can hold this a plate for go. Come like a tar pan. Park up see man. Alright, yeah, for dumpling. Why this is one for done. Yeah, the phone come back now. Yeah, and heavy, you know, I mean, I like share meat too. How much are we left?
Let's take your time, man.
You see what I go on? Yeah, man.
In the red, that's all.
One thing.
Okay, come for the one with the banana.
Yeah, man.
It's a check-in right there now.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So I go on a peeps. Dumpling and banana with curry chicken. Yeah, man, that is it.
So I'm going to tell you, say
I'm
almost.
sorry, I never like banana bread. The banana top and night.
One jabot over here.
Not up. That'll be, yeah.
Naturally.
And have a big up every time.
What is it? One last go over here. I said active. Jabot there, see me, I go mash up for you, man.
Yeah, man, bad.
Star girl, I take a seat right there, so. That is it, man. That you are gone.
Full active dog there.
That is it.
One.
That is it, man. That is it. Check in for the little folks them up here.
Curry chicken, bad man.
Alright, it's a curry chicken, but dumpling them active. See them, man. Star girl dumpling them. Oh, this again, Genesis. Go and enjoy your food, yeah? See what I go on? Yeah, man. Don't shell down the banana them already. Just have one piece of dumpling left. Curry chicken hot. Pepper. I fly one some. Why not get none? Alright, so I check in on the progress of the work. So this all going, you know. So we're excited. Active food shell long. And dog. So man them there. So only park pem. Lord darling, hold. So on. Work light. Just want to say big up to each and everyone who watched the video until the end. It was a very good day today, you know what I mean? Don't know, we'd have to match up something quick and fast. Yes, so everything going good, you don't know. We make a little lemonade in the last half and quench cheers and thing with some ice and things. So you don't know, food is nice and everything. So big up each and everyone again for watching. Heart, love and respect every time.